Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. When you want something quick for your kids, just try this crispy potato garlic bites. They are so easy to make and so delicious. You only need to fry them to be golden and season with paprika, black pepper, and some salt. And that's it. Your kids will enjoy something fresh and so delicious. Subscribe to my channel for easy and simple recipes. Stay blessed, stay healthy. See you on the next video.